So we will talk about Toshiba VFD error OC2 overcurrent during deacceleration. So normally it occurs when we are doing we are stopping the VFD during the deacceleration, when VFD has started to stop. At that time overcurrent is generated. So normally it's happened when we have very low very short time. Okay, we have 1 second, less than 1 second, depends on your motor size. Okay, so if it is very short, so you can increase the deacceleration time. Okay, and if there could be the issue normally inside of the VFD, there could be higher there could be excess DC. Okay, so that also could be the reason. So for that you just need to decrease increase your deacceleration time. What is your right now, so increase 20%, 30% of that time. Okay, and you can try it. If still it is the same, in that case there could be one more reason, like on shaft of your motor, that external whatever is connected, that is very high torque is required to stop that. So but your application could not be changed, if you cannot change your application, so in that case normally you just need to change overcurrent. For stop overcurrent, you just need to change deacceleration time. Okay, ramp up ramp down time only. If you will change that time, so it will be this problem will be resolved. If your problem is still not resolved, first you have to take my membership, and then you can write a mail to me with detailed problem with the screenshot of the membership. I will provide you solution, and I will give you one PDF also which will help you to resolve all your issue, and I will support continue.